Before we practice writing more iteration statements, there is something that you need to know. Something that is very interesting. That is infinite loops. We'll be learning about infinite loops. That sounds really fun, right? Well, not really. So I'll show you how it works. So I'll tell you what an infinite loop is. Infinite loop keep on executing forever. That means it will never end. So what causes an infinite loop? Remember this previous program, we have provided an I equal to I minus 1. Right? Remember that, right? So what would happen if we remove this line of code? Let's see. So I have removed that line of code. Now let's try running this. Enter the number, let it be 12. And you can see that the program, you can check out the output screen and you can see that the program is not ending. It's being executed again and again and again and again. Why? It is an infinite loop. So I'll tell you why this happens. First, let me just stop this. Okay. So I'll tell you why this happens. I told you that the while loop will keep on executing as long as the condition is true. So I value is 10. First it will check if 10 is greater than 5. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. So it will print the value 10. Not changing the value of I here. It forever remains 10. So what happens is that it will keep on comparing if 10 is greater than 5. Yes, of course 10 is greater than 5. So that condition will always be true because we are not decreasing or increasing the value of I. So it will keep on getting executed again and again and again and again. And there is no end to this program. So this is called an infinite loop. Infinite loop happens when the loop condition is always true. So that is the reason why we provided an I equal to I minus 1 here. So in this case, the value of I will keep on decreasing. So there is an end. So when the I value becomes equal to 5 or less than 5, the program will stop right there. So I think the concept of infinite loop is clear to you. So that is all about infinite loops. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.